Have you been feeling stuck in this oversaturated job market? It's felt like denial after denial after denial. Well, here's some hope. My name's Judson. I'm a photo and film major. I used to be computer science, but after my switch, here's how I bagged 5 huge roles and even 2 with large companies. And make sure to watch till the end of this video to learn 4 low-key niche jobs that you can be on the lookout for too as well. Trust, I know ball. Let's get started. Starting off, the worst one of them all. The tech job market. Little old me in freshman year, I knew I liked films, but I also had been pursuing computer science for all of high school. So, I majored in comp sci, but minored in cinematic arts at UMBC. I loved coding and was pretty good at it. I stopped by the career fair, talking to everyone I can, rubbing shoulders and whatnot. I talked to some people, give my resume, get some business cards, nothing. I hear nothing back, and I go back to working at Chick-fil-A. I applied even to a large and sought after company for comp sci majors. Had the exact same experience level as one of my friends. He got the job, but I didn't even get an interview. He believes it's because he had a LinkedIn as a freshman and I didn't, so maybe that's why. Set up those LinkedIns, guys. Now, I switched to being a cinematic arts major halfway through my sophomore year. Before then, I actually had started working as an intern for the podcast Careers Unleashed. Not sponsored, but basically go subscribe. It was related to my minor at the time, but still good experience, even if I was still pursuing comp sci. Now, I've seen these on UMBC's campus firsthand, and I'm sure you have too. Here's some jobs that can lead to good connections and good cash flow as well. First off, Bull Student Marketeer. You've almost definitely seen one of them on campus. I've shot some photos of them, and if you get the job, you'll be working with a big brand too. I mean, who doesn't want to work with Red Bull? You can meet some influential people and even become influential yourself on your campus. Second off, Poppy College Ambassador. Applications close July 13th, and you'll get monthly shipments of Poppy along with amazing networking opportunities. This one's open for all college students, so act fast if you want to apply to this one. Third, Adobe Next Campus Leaders. I'm editing in Adobe right now. If you're a film or visual arts student, this is perfect for you. For film and design students, you'll get paid $100,000 per semester along with free subscriptions. And for all my Adobe users, this is huge. Oh my gosh, that subscription fee is crazy. But along with that, exam vouchers and apprenticeships. Number 4, the Notion Campus Leaders Program. I'm sure you've seen one of the aesthetic girlies in your class having a decked out Notion that basically turned into a master's thesis for comp sci to organize assignments. But you'll get free swag, exclusive events, networking, and a membership. That's the 4 low-key niche jobs that I've seen available for college students. The Red Bull one, specifically on UMBC, we've probably all definitely seen it. But yeah, no, definitely look and watch out for these 4 things. If you just want experience, it has transferable skills, amazing connections as well with these corporations and companies. It'll be worth it. Even if it's slightly off your major, all these transferable skills can help. And a piece of advice, try and find a desk job. Having a desk job is so clutch, because when you have that extra free time and you're able to work on homework or even another job, it's amazing. That double pay is real nice, trust me. You want to get in on that. But yeah, that was all that I had for y'all today. Let me know in the comments if you want any more advice, like maybe how I got my LinkedIn stacked like this in just 2 years of my college experience. And make sure to follow UMBC Careers Unleashed anywhere you get your podcasts, YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, all that jazz. Like and subscribe, hit that down below, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.